Hey, this is Brad, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube by using other people's videos. But first, before we get started, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and then hit the bell so you can get updated every time I put out cool videos. I know, it sounds super unethical to steal other people's videos, but guess what? They want you to do it. I'll explain more later. But first, if you wait until the end of this video, I'm going to show you where you can get a free PDF on how I made money when I first got started with video marketing back in 2014. It's actually 4 processes, and I'm giving you away the free PDF, so stay until the end. Now, one thing you need to know is that you can't just take any video you want. There's only certain videos that you can take. For example, if I were to take this Childish Gambino video right here, which is Donald Glover's, it's the #1 trending video on YouTube, and it's Donald Glover's video, it's his channel. I can't just go ahead and use this on my channel, or else I will get a strike. And if I get 3 strikes, then you're out. Basically, YouTube will shut down your channel. Even 1 strike, I think sometimes they'll demonetize it where you can't make any money with your YouTube channel. So you can't just take anybody else's shit. What you can do, for example, is this. Let's just type in Donald Glover. Alright, Donald Glover. We go here, we go to filter, we're going to go Creative Commons. Now these videos right here, we can steal them. If you just go to Creative Commons, you can absolutely take all these videos and use it as your own. So let's just say, for example, you're making an entertainment channel. You can go ahead and click this video right here.
Oh, what's up everybody? Once again, it's Brandman Sean, and today we're gonna...
Now, the problem is, the reason why this guy's letting you use it is because he has his branding all over the video. Now, I want to tell you one little secret that really YouTube doesn't want you to know. And that's, you can just, crop that. You can crop that out and still use that video. But you can find other videos that don't have any kind of watermarking on it. I wouldn't do that. But certain videos, you can go ahead and just take the watermarking off of it. Now, here's the thing. Some of these videos are using videos that are copyrighted. Like, for example, this one right here is somebody explaining about Donald Glover. And they're using, graphics from Donald Glover's video. So you can't just take any video, but you can kind of make it your own and add in your own clips. So that's one thing you can do. But you can steal these people's videos off of here. Once they have Creative Commons, they are giving you the right to steal their videos. Go ahead and take that shit. But we got to find one that you're going to monetize off of. Okay, so we can't really monetize Donald Glover, so let's go to another keyword. Let's type in how to sing. And then we'll go to Creative Commons. And let's click this guy.
Hey singers, I think today's episode is going to be
okay, this is great. He doesn't really have much watermarking on the actual video. And he has really play-by-play on how to sing good. So what we're going to do is we are going to take this video, upload it to our channel, and put something called an affiliate link to a product and actually make commission off of this video that this guy made from the New York vocal coaching. So just because this guy made a video, we're going to steal it and we're going to make money off of it. So hold on, I'm going to show you how you can put it onto your channel. Okay, so all we're going to do is go down here to share, and we are going to grab the link for this video. Take this, hit copy, right click, and then you're going to go to a website called savefrom.net. And all you're going to do is you are going to insert a video right here. Oops. It's taking its good old time. There we go. Okay, so what we're going to do from there is all we're going to do is download. So you would just click, I forget which one it is, this one. And there you go, started downloading. That's really it. So we're going to take the video, and then we are going to upload it to our channel. We're just going to click here. If you just go to upload video, you can upload this video. You can use that. Now I want to show you how you can find a link to put on this video. Okay, one of the places we're going to look is something called clickbank.com. Now, ClickBank is a marketplace where you can sell digital products. It's free to be an affiliate with ClickBank. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here, sing. And as you can see, there are websites. Now we're going to click here, sort by results. I'm sorry, not websites. This is our products. Basically, Superior singing method. Here we go. Okay, so you can get up to $56 per sale from this product right here, which is a digital product. And what you can do is it's just a sales page right here. And if somebody purchases this particular product, you would use your affiliate link, which you would just grab right here, promote. You get 75% commission off of up to $56, excuse me. So you're just going to take the affiliate link. Now we want to shorten that, so we're going to go to bit.ly.com and you can go ahead and put a bit.ly link there. But all you're going to do is you are going to upload this video to your channel, the one we just downloaded. See, as you can see here, I downloaded it right to my computer.
Today's episode is going to be
I'm just going to upload this file right to my channel, and then I'm going to put that link here. I'll do it for you real quick. I do everything for you. So we're just going to add the video right here. Let's see if I can drag it. There we go. And then I would just put the link right here. And that's it. I would, I maybe put a description. Hey, if you want to learn better, and you can rename it whatever you want. You don't have to keep it episode 2. How to sing better, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's just say that in the description box. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a little description here. Want to learn how to sing better? Click the link below. And that's it. That's all we're going to do, and we're going to post it. Now, you want to make a channel that's dedicated to singing or dedicated to, dog grooming, whatever it is. You want to make the channel, you don't want to just put a bunch of random videos on there. You want to make it congruent with whatever you are promoting. So that's basically how you can go ahead and check out how you can sell with other people's videos. You're stealing it legally. You're not going to get in trouble with YouTube. You're not going to get copyright. You're not going to get contacted by any kind of lawyer. It's perfectly legal. And that's how it's done. That's how you can use other people's videos and make your own channel in any particular niche and make money off of their videos. What is better than that than using other people's videos? Now, you got to learn how to rank them, which is I'm not going to go into in this video. That's another thing. But once you learn how to rank your videos, you can dominate certain niches using other people's videos, which is great. Now, like I promised, I'm going to go ahead and give you a free PDF on how I got started with video marketing back in 2014 without making any videos myself. All you have to do is go to the link that is on the screen right now, and you have full access to this PDF. Thanks for watching this video. Go ahead, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Tell me, what did you think? Do you think you can do this? Do you like this video? Do you not like this video? Give me a shout. Let me know what you think.